National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cleburne County in east central Alabama until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Piedmont to near Talladega Municipal Airport, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Heflin, Ramburn, Fruithurst, Edwardsville, Muscatine, Abernathy, Mars Hills, Mount Chia, Hollis Crossroads, Sweetwater Lake, Coleman Lake and Campground, Trickham, Lake Cleburne, 120 Welcome Center, Liberty Hill, Chalathini, Oak Level, Borden Springs, and Camp Sequoia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National